My name is Jorge Moreira. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, and I'm majoring in the civil engineering course. The bus shelter came as a design idea, the industrial design course. It's basically aiming to solve, or at least try to solve, a problem that the majority of students faces, which is the problem of the absence of shelter, of adequate places to rest, to wait for example, to wait at a bus stop in the rain, for example. So it's really uncomfortable for the students. We studied the needs, the students and the teachers, the employees from the university. A lot of people that work here also live here in the university. That's like a huge residential village here. There's a lot of demands for this space to be more adequate. So it came as this idea to make this place more convenient for everyone who uses. So right here is the place where we're planning to install the bus shelter that we've been working through in our project. As you can see here, there are not any signs indicating whatsoever that there is actually a bus stop here. Right now that we're having the remote classes, there are not a lot of students here, but when we used to have the live classes, a lot of students from the technology center, from all the engineerings, used to gather here to wait for their buses. This wait, unfortunately, can be a little long, up to 30 minutes, an hour maybe. In a year from now, we'll already have a model in a scale 1 by 1 that will illustrate better what we're planning to install here. What makes it unique? It's the way that it's been thought, like it's an interdisciplinary project. It unites several areas, for example, the engineering, the laboratory also, the architecture, the design. And I think that when people from the different courses from different areas, they think together, they exchange ideas, I think that it always comes up with something really productive. Mas eu acho que para cá de espaço tem que... We've been involved in this project a year now. The bus stop, it is sustainable, especially because of the materials that are going to be used. The laboratory in which we're working on does various tests with different combinations of concretes in order to provide the most sustainable mixture. Bamboo can be used in the concrete itself as one of the parts in the combination. The green wall, it's basically a layer of plants that are going to be installed in the surface of the structure. It's going to be watered by the rain. The solar panels, that is something really tied to the sustainability. For example, if lights are installed for people that are going to use it at night, it also corroborates with the security of the bus shelter. It's not still represented in the model that we made, but they include panels in the ground for people with disabilities, with sighting disability, for example. There will also be a lot of open space for people in a wheelchair, so that they can circle through the shelter with no problem. The idea of sustainability tied with accessibility, which is also really important. It is really inspiring for me to be in an environment like this, to surround myself with people that have the same goal, the same mentality, the same mindset as I do. I think that it is really inspiring. It really stimulates me to go forward and try to achieve the projects that I have.